Hiya, so I've had a complaint that the shower head is not flowing as freely as it should be. We don't run a hotel or anything, it's a member of the household. Anyway, we need to rectify this. So this is the shower head that isn't pumping that well. I've tried to clean it, flush some water through it, hasn't worked. So we just need to unscrew it.
So just to clarify, it's the nozzles that were blocked,
yeah,
and some of them are a little bit black. Even when you run your fingernail across it, it still doesn't really work.
So unscrew it, and when you tighten this back up, it's just finger tight with these.
Yeah.
Right. Having done this before, we know how to do it. You need some of this.
So this is VIAKAL limescale removing. It's fantastic stuff.
Now bear in mind that the water's running through and down, so it's blocking the inside. So literally do this. And as you're doing it, you see the bubbles coming up?
Yeah.
That's basically, so you don't need loads in. And have a squirt over the top tip. Just wipe round the chrome. You just don't leave this stuff on too long. Basically,
swill it around and sort of turn it so it flows through the jets. And if you need to, just rub these jets a bit with a cloth and it will remove it.
Just literally
do that. So it's really easy to do.
Do that.
As you can see, that's cleaning it up already.
Right. Don't leave this stuff too long on this chrome, plastic chrome, because it will take it off. But do that. Remember, we've got some on the inside, and then I just want to put a bit of water through it, and you can see there all bubbling up and pushing through. It doesn't matter if it's cold or hot water. See? Now another important top tip. We're going to pop it back on the hose. Remember, just check you haven't lost your washer in there when you've taken it off. It's a black washer in there. Hand tight with these, always hand tight. Don't need any pliers or anything on them. Right. So this is really important. Please, sorry about the head, run your water through. Now this was quite blocked before. There you go.
So we're just going to, as you can see, it's all flowing freely. We just want to clear any of that out, don't we?
60% of jets working before.
Yeah, yeah.
So we're just making sure that when you get a shower, or
you don't get VIAKAL on it.
or the person making the complaint doesn't get a VIAKAL head wash, and that person is very close to me.
Ah, yes.
Yeah. So you can see that's absolutely fine. Everything's running fine. Yeah. It sounded like that was servicing a Mercedes or something, but it's a shower head. So.
But anyway, it's a simple. I know it's a simple video and it's pretty sort of self-explanatory. But if you do have a blocked shower and you're just looking for an easy way to clean them, then definitely consider VIAKAL. It's a brilliant product. Obviously, as I say, don't leave it on the items, and leave it a few seconds. You can get this from the local supermarket. I think DIY places as well. You can clean basically anything shiny with it. Just put on wipe.
But don't leave it on too long. You can literally use this on anything you
Basically,
want.
you can use it in your bowl.
If you've got limescale,
yeah.
Not in your kettle, not in your iron,
no.
But anything
no.
like bathroom
That's
related.
all. That's all proper clean now. That's all nice, basically
yeah.
brand new, pretty much.
Anyway, simple job to fix. You've probably got this sat in a cupboard somewhere, or get some. It's a useful product to have. This has helped you along a bit. Helped you have a nice shower. Stop people moaning at you within your household or establishment. Why not press the like button and subscribe to our channel? It would help us along a bit. Thank you.
Thanks.
Bit of a fun